Almost. Are you gonna call the birds? Are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? Tweet tweet.
You excited, Titi?
What are you gonna do? You say
I'm gonna say tweet 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 tweet.
lunchtime. Supper's ready. What you gonna say?
Tweet tweet tweet.
That's it?
Tweet tweet. That means come eat. Tweet tweet.
Let me see your turkey hat. You're so pretty.
Hey, you're missing the bag, girl. No. It's still out there?
Yeah.
Look, there's a little group of them at the end. Oh.
Okay, now can I pack it on?
Okay, let's just put big ones in. Let's get the rest of it in there. We don't waste it. Show Mama that sack of bird goodies.
Let me see. I want to see what's inside. What are those? What's
Bread.
bread and what? Crackers?
Yep.
All right.
Tweet tweet.
Here you go out there. Careful. She's doing it one by one.
She's just gonna stand there and freeze. They're a little Terra popsicle. That sneaky raven sauce put out bread and, yep,
Oh my God, a big one!
that sneaky raven. It's like, yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. I got the big piece of bread. Yum, yum, yum. See, he's jumping up and down. That's to scare the little birds. But if there's enough little birds, those little birds will scare the big bird. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, now, those are the two little brave ones. They're gonna be like, tweet, tweet, score, crackers, bread. Come on, guys. Let's eat it all before the raven comes back.
They're waiting for him and it's gonna scare the raven.
That was a sneaky raven, huh? Where do you think the raven was hiding?
I think on the backyard.
In the backyard?
Yeah. And did you know that I still got my boots on our couch?
That's fine.
It's a snow, but we can wash. We can get it off.
Yes, look at that.
Whoa,
Camp robber.
What's that? What kind of bird is that?
I can't brought
It's so pretty.
A mockingjay, I think. Something. I have no idea, babe.
Yeah, it's black and white. Oh my goodness.
Big old long tail. Look at that. Look at that one. The little one's chasing it away.
It's eating. It's so cute. I think their mama bird will came. The one that's a big one that hangs there will eat it too. And the mama bird and the daddy bird will come too, I think, right? Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. So that raven. I want to know where that raven is. And where was that raven hiding? And how did it know there was a big old piece of bread?
Big? Well, it's okay because tiny birds can't eat big pieces. Right? Right, Mom?
I think so. Is it fun watching?
Yeah. I'm gonna
You
go
like birds?